Most organizations are still operating in a state of data chaos, fragmented, inconsistent, and hard to trust. What you're about to see are some examples of how Reltio's governance agents can help you turn your data chaos into governed, trusted context. We'll start with the Data Explorer in order to understand all the data governance policy violations inherent in our data by source system. Because Reltio automatically injects the data governance policy violations into each and every record at runtime as additional metadata, all agents, including this one, can very easily understand the problems inherent in the data. Let's have a look. I'm now in the Reltio AgentFlow user interface. This is Reltio's agentic delivery and execution suite, where my role-based access allows me to interact with various agents. Let's engage with our Data Explorer agent. I want to understand data governance policy violations broken down by source system within my individual entity data. The agent goes to work first by confirming my ask. Via the AgentFlow MCP server, it then looks at the data model to gain a deeper understanding of how it needs to approach the request. It then makes various tool calls as it gathers the full picture of the policy violations by source system per my request. The output starts with an overall violation summary, where I can see how many records are in violation per each of our defined policies. It then goes into details about violations per source system. This output from the agent helps a data governance team drive upstream policy enforcement in the various sources contributing data to Reltio. There is a tremendous amount of detail surfaced by this agent when it comes to understanding my data governance policy violations. I can continue in this conversational manner to drill into any area of my data, but for the purposes of brevity, let's move on to the second demo scenario. In this demonstration, we'll use the Match Resolver agent as a trusted advisor to help us resolve duplicates. Quite simply, I'll ask it, get the list of organizations from our high priority list and conduct a comprehensive potential match review. We need to ensure this information is free of duplicates. Please help. Let's have a look. Here's my prompt to kick it off. First, it calls some tools to search for records in our high priority segment. It finds the records and then analyzes the duplicates associated with them, giving me a prioritized list. It recommends we start with John Deere because it has 3 matches. I tell it to go ahead with that option. As it starts working, it's quickly flipped to the regular Reltio interface to give you a sense of what the agent is working on. Here's the John Deere record with 3 potential matches. These matches were found by the AI model that we call FERN, Flexible Entity Resolution Networks. Back in AgentFlow, the agent's busy doing some web research to validate information about John Deere. It then provides an overview of each match, including the confidence level of the match, some basic attribution, and information about which source supplied each record. It then gives us an analysis summary, including its findings from the web research. In the key findings, it concludes these 4 records all represent the same organization. You can see the reasoning behind the findings. It highlights a discrepancy in the status attribute, but still recommends a merge. Because it's running in co-pilot mode versus fully autonomous, it waits on my confirmation to proceed before it executes the merge. Notice the call to the Merge Entities tool to unify these records. After the merge, it fetches the unified record to confirm the actions were executed correctly, and it fetches the next record in the list in the background. This is part of its governance rules to confirm its actions after a merge. Notice the comprehensive overview of the merge actions that were taken. Let's flip back to the Reltio user interface. Previously, we saw 3 duplicates here. Now there are none. Looking at the sources view shows us that 4 separate records have been merged into a single record, but we never lose the original source data supplied by each contributing source, as can be seen here. Back in AgentFlow, we see it working through the next record following the same pattern, doing web research, then investigating the duplicates. Once again, we see the key observations, along with some additional discrepancies it discovered in the address and phone number based on its web research. Then it ends with a decision, saying it's 95% confident that these records represent the same organization. You feel like you're working with a trusted expert here, because you are. I tell it to merge these, and once again it starts making tool calls to merge the duplicates, followed by its analysis of the post-merge record to double-check its work. Let's now head to the address enricher agent. This agent uses a combination of web research and consensus building to be able to enrich addresses that are not fully verified according to global postal standards. Similar to the match resolver, I'll give this agent a particular starting point to work from. Let's have a look. My ask of the agent is quite simple. We're experiencing service delays at our top 100 customers because of inaccurate address information. We must have accurate address information ASAP for these customers. Get an organization from our top 100 segment that has a partially verified address for analysis and enrichment. Before making any changes to the data, first show me the planned changes along with the reasoning for each change. AgentFlow sets off to work immediately. The first thing it does is to confirm its approach per my instructions. It then introspects the data model and specifically gathers details about the organization entity in order to construct the appropriate query based on my request. Armed with this knowledge, it executes the query to find organizations in our top 100 segment with partially verified addresses. It identifies that 8 organizations in our top 100 segment have partially verified addresses and asks me which one I'd like to analyze first. Based on my selection, it confirms the approach it'll take for the enrichment. It then fetches the organization record from Reltio along with the address. The address itself is presented in a tabular view listing all the populated attributes. I'm also presented with a list of issues that were identified, such as informal address description, missing postal code, and so on. Now it embarks on the web research phase of the enrichment. This is a critical part of the enrichment process, and per the agent system instructions, it'll attempt to find evidence from at least 3 different online sources to confirm the right address. Let's watch as it goes to work. First, it starts out by doing a web search to see what it can find about the organization. The results of the web search are then used in subsequent steps to fetch details from various websites. Then, it performs another web search, this time focusing on USPS or Google Maps. It then fetches details again based on the search results. It now arrives at the conclusion that it has gathered sufficient evidence from multiple authoritative sources. It presents us with a list of all the sources it used: Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Mariner Exchange, MapQuest, and Waze. Finally, it presents us with the proposed changes for each attribute based on its research. Notice how it clearly shows how many sources of evidence there are for each change, along with a summary of the reasoning for each. It then goes a step further by giving us an even more detailed breakdown of its reasoning for each change, along with a summary of the credibility of each source it used. Finally, it confirms that the evidence threshold for enrichment was met because it found 6 sources of evidence. Before approving this change, let's have a quick look at this record in Reltio. I'm now in the Reltio profile screen looking at the customer record. The profile screen is my configurable window into all the details about any particular record. Here you can see the address. Let's drill into the actual address record itself. Within this record, I'll switch to the sources view, where I can get a more in-depth perspective on where this address came from. Here we can see that this address came from the source called ServiceNow. Based on this information provided, the Reltio data cleanser, which is the built-in address validation system, was only able to partially verify this information according to postal standards. Stepping back to AgentFlow, I'll now complete our enrichment. Recall that AgentFlow was waiting on our confirmation. I give it the approval to continue with the update, and off it goes again to complete the task. Notice, here it tells us that it'll use the Update Entity Attributes tool. It now fetches the location record and prepares to construct the update payload. The update is executed via the Update Entity Attributes tool, and AgentFlow confirms the update was successful. In the Key Achievement section, AgentFlow touches on its primary value proposition. Notice how it says that the system automatically upgraded the verification status from partially verified to verified after processing the enriched data. Additionally, it mentions geocoding was added, AVC score improvement, and other improvements that all came about because the address cleansing engine in Reltio was able to identify and further enrich the updated address supplied by AgentFlow. Let's step back for a second and reflect on the magic you've just witnessed in the last few minutes. Through a simple conversation, I was able to identify the records in my top 100 list with address problems. I was then able to correct the problem via an evidence-based agentic approach. In 2 minutes, AgentFlow was able to execute a task with a tremendous amount of detail that would have taken a human data steward probably 10 to 15 minutes to complete. Not only that, but imagine scaling this out across thousands of bad addresses in your organization. If you were to ask your data stewards to manually clean up 10,000 bad addresses, they'll walk straight out the door. Prior to moving on to the next record, let's have a quick look at the end result in Reltio. Here's the original address that we were looking at earlier. If I refresh my view, we'll now see the updated address per the AgentFlow enrichment. Notice you can see the inclusion of a new source called AI enrichment. When I hover over it, I can see its contribution to this address. Those contributions in turn allowed the Reltio address cleanser to fully verify the address according to postal standards. With the address enrichment agent powered by AgentFlow, that mountain of bad addresses just isn't a problem anymore. It's now an opportunity. AgentFlow gives you the automation to finally deal with your backlog. What used to be an almost insurmountable problem now becomes a continuous, intelligent process that can strengthen your data foundation every single day. Context intelligence isn't limited to structured records. A tremendous amount of business context lives in unstructured sources, documents, emails, call transcripts, contracts, support tickets, and so on. When those signals are extracted and linked to the entities in your context intelligence platform, they add a whole nother layer of meaning, sentiment, intent, obligations, and events. Let's have a look at this in action in Reltio AgentFlow Unstructured. My starting point is the creation of a template that is the best representation of the corpus I'm trying to extract unstructured content from. In this case, I'm calling this my supplier contract template, and I can upload a document as an example for it to understand the structure. I also choose the Reltio target environment I want to load the content to. The extraction process then identifies all the entities and relationships present in the document and automatically maps these to Reltio, where a user can then adjust them across the entities, attributes, and relationships as needed. Once I'm satisfied with my mapping, I can publish the template for reuse. At this point, I can create a pipeline to process my documents. It starts with connecting to the source containers where my documents live, in this example, an S3 bucket. As part of setting up the pipeline, I can also select whether I'd like to initiate data change request workflows for review and approval versus physically creating the newly extracted data per my documents. Once my pipeline is created, I can start it in order to monitor for the arrival of new documents for processing. Let's have a look at an example of a pipeline that contains some completed documents. By clicking on a particular row, I can see the list of entities that were extracted from the document during processing. Each of these is being created in Reltio. Clicking on one of these will take me directly to that record in Reltio. In this case, the entity describing a contract with various attributes and relationships to other entities. Structured context added to the Reltio intelligent data graph, where previously there was just unstructured text living in silos. Agents running on Reltio's context intelligence platform are delivering tangible business value today. One of the largest quick service restaurant brands in the world is running Reltio agents that continuously enrich and categorize menu items globally, so new products hit digital kiosks and mobile apps faster with fewer errors and less manual work. A global power solutions provider is using Reltio agents to automatically generate multi-level organizational hierarchies for compliance reporting, and they're saving over $1.3 million a year in reduced effort. And a global pharma company is using agents to research, enrich, and match external party data before it ever gets ingested, raising data quality at the front door instead of trying to play catch-up downstream. Different industries, different use cases, same pattern. They're not using AI to generate content. They're using AI to run operational processes safely because the agents are grounded in trusted, connected, real-time context supplied by Reltio. If you'd like to learn more about how Reltio delivers trusted, real-time context, please request a personalized demo today.